Namaskar. Welcome, my dear children. Today we'll start with another story. Once upon a time, there was a desert. There were dunes, there was shortage of water in the desert. Camels used to live there. People also used to live there. But somewhere, somehow, a rose flower bloomed there. So let's learn to draw a rose flower. Step number 1 is make a heart. Step number 2 is this heart and another one around it. Step number 3 is inside heart, then second heart and third heart. Step number 4 is first heart, second heart, 2 lines here, third heart. The only difference is from second heart we have drawn 2 lines and we are trying to make a cup. Then next step is this time we'll draw this inner heart, second heart, third heart. Second heart is half. We'll draw 2 lines here and this one has become little big now. In sixth step, next heart's line is very long now. 1 petal here, 1 petal here, this petal here and this petal here. 1 petal here. In next step, we'll just keep on increasing the number of petals. So now we are going to make a complete flower. Take your green color pencil or your brush pen and draw the outline. And now I'm going to fill the green color. Make sure your color is not going out. Move your hand in one direction. First you draw the outline and then all your coloring should be within that line. So what happened, children? This rose plant was very beautiful. So he was very proud of his beauty. His or her very proud. I'm the most beautiful. I'm the most beautiful. I'm very beautiful. All the time, rose plant used to say like this. So other people used to say, you are beautiful, but what is the point of saying this whole day that you are beautiful, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful. Everybody is beautiful. He used to say, no. I am the most beautiful. Anyway, then there was a cactus plant next to the rose. That cactus was very good plant actually, but it was not as beautiful as rose. And you know, cactus plant can store lots of water in it, which is very important for desert. Because you know, in desert, you don't get water. So, this cactus plant stores lots of water in it. And rose flower had a regret that why this cactus is always there next to me. He used to say openly to everybody that I don't like this cactus next to me. So, everybody, friends, they had common friends like birds, other animals, other plants. They used to say, why do you say like that? He is also very good. Cactus is also very good. You are also very good. Each one is good. But rose plant started feeling very proudy. Became very proud of its beauty. And all the time, it started insulting the cactus plant. Cactus plant used to feel very bad, but he was a nice, thorough, gentle person. So he used to say, okay, let him say, doesn't matter, let him say. And rose plant used to feel very proud that I'm the most beautiful person. So I'm feeling red color in the rose plant. So what happened? This rose plant's neighbor was a cactus. So let's learn to draw the cactus also. Then one day there was a heavy drought in the desert because there was no water at all, no rain at all. So there was no water at all. Then everybody was very thirsty. Rose plant also started falling sick. When you don't have water, then what will happen to plant? Naturally, plant will go down. So our rose flower started falling. Let's fill green color in this. So one day, rose plant saw that one bird came next to cactus plant and requested cactus plant, can you please give me some of the syrup you are storing in your leaves? Cactus plant's leaves are very thick and they have lots of watery substance in it. They have stored water in it. So cactus plant said, yes, sure, I will give you. So bird said, there is no water around and I am really very thirsty, dear. I will take some of the syrup from your leaves and then I think I will survive. So cactus said, yes, you take the syrup from my leaves. Bird took the syrup and then bird survived. So this rose plant, who was actually very proudy, was looking at this. He said, he has given, that means he has stored water in it. And I am also dying now. If I will not get water in next few hours, I will die. But he was feeling ashamed also. Why cactus plant was feeling ashamed?
Ma'am, because all were taking help from cactus for drink.
Yeah, but rose plant was always making fun of cactus. He was always calling cactus, oh, you're so ugly, you're so ugly, you're so ugly. So he felt ashamed. He said, how can I ask cactus now to give me water because I always make it fun. So he was thinking what to do. But then when he was too thirsty, he thought, okay, let me ask. Maybe he will say no, but if he gives, then I can survive. So with lots of hesitation, he asked Cactus, can you please give me some water? Other people started laughing. Oh, Rose, you were always making fun of Cactus and now you are asking for water. The Rose said, yes, I was making fun, but now I'm asking for water because I really need water now. Then, this cactus plant was very kind, very kind. This cactus plant said, yes, Rose, you can take water from me. And he asked bird, that bird, take some water from my leaves and put in the roots of rose. So a lovely bird came. So this bird took some water from the cactus plant and gave it to Rose. And finally, Rose survived. So what do we learn from this? A friend who helps you when you really need help is a true friend. And we should never judge anyone by the way they look. Okay? And we should not insult anybody. We should always give respect to everybody. So these are the things we learn from this story. Okay, we learn never judge anyone by the way they look. That's our moral of the story. I hope you liked today's story session. You like the painting. Hope to see you in next class. Thank you for watching.